Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Rahu, Sun, Mercury and Venus conjunction. In the Taurus sign, Rahu, Mercury and Venus are already there. But today, 14th May 2021, Sun is going to join these three planets in the Taurus sign. And I'm gonna tell all of y'all how your time would be from 14th May 2021 until 29th May 2021. Well, generally speaking, during this time, most of the people are gonna face some mental and emotional strain in their lives. Overthinking by most of the people cannot be ruled out during this time. Fear, anxiety and worry will be the highlight during this time. I mean from the 14th of May 2021 until 29th May 2021, when Venus moves into the Gemini sign from the Taurus sign. Well, for some of the people, it will be a chilled out time. It will be a relaxed time. My suggestion to y'all would be just keep yourself busy at this point in time. Don't let your mind wander towards negative things. Hence, I'd request most of y'all to work towards yourself. Develop yourself at this moment. Try to learn something new at this point in time. So, if you do what I'm telling you, then things will be better for you. Well, for Aries moon sign, Aries ascendant people, this particular conjunction of Rahu, Venus, Mercury and Sun will be in your second house. So during this time, you can face some differences with your family members. Unnecessary expenditure behind your family cannot be ruled out at this point in time. There would be more expenses for you rather than income. So at this point in time, you need to maintain a cordial relationship with your family. Well, for Taurus moon sign, Taurus ascendant people, this 4-planet conjunction will be in your ascendant or over your moon sign. So, during this time, you can feel some stress. Because of the planet Sun, you might be depressed and dejected at this point in time. You might be unnecessarily showing your anger on your near and dear ones, your loved ones. Hence, I'd suggest you all to keep a control on your anger at this point in time. You could be learning a lot in terms of your business, your profession at this point in time. So, you would be studying things very closely at this point in time. Though you would show some signs of worry at this point in time, but after the 29th of May, things will be better for you. As Rahu is aspecting your 7th house, hence I'd say that there will be some problem with your spouse during this period. Well, for Gemini moon sign, Gemini ascendant people, let me tell you all that this particular conjunction, this particular 4-planet conjunction will be in your 12th house. So, you can face some unnecessary expenditure. You can face some unnecessary tension in your life at this point in time. Your near or dear ones can get hospitalized. They can fall seriously ill at this point in time. You are prone to think negatively at this point in time. My suggestion to y'all would be just keep yourself busy with something and that will take care of you. Well, for Cancer moon sign, Cancer ascendant people, this particular conjunction will be in the 11th house. Hence, it is gonna be a great time for y'all. You are gonna earn some money during this time. You can expect some money from somewhere at this point in time. If you were expecting any sort of payment from your customer or from your employers, then at this point in time, you are most likely to receive that payment. I mean that delayed payment. I'd suggest you all to control your expenses at this point in time. Well, for Leo moon sign, Leo ascendant people, this particular conjunction is gonna take place in your 10th house. So at this point in time, Rahu will be aspecting your 4th house, and your ascendant lord, your moon sign lord, will be affected. So during this time, you might face some physical ailments. You might face some physical problems during this time. Your movement would be restricted at this point in time. You will be filled with unhappiness and sadness at this point in time, because you will not be able to move around at this point in time. You need to pass this time somehow, and after the 5th of June, you will see some relief for yourself in that physical illness. Well, for Virgo moon sign, Virgo ascendant people, this particular conjunction is gonna take place in your 9th house. So during this time, you could see some opportunities for yourself. You could start planning for your future life at this point in time. There could be some serious fights between you and your family at this point in time. My suggestion to y'all would be to pray and meditate during this time, so that things might get mitigated, alleviated for y'all during this time. If you are planning for any sort of travel, let me tell you all, please do not do so. Any sort of travel during this time could be detrimental for you and your life. Well, for Libra moon sign, Libra ascendant people, this particular conjunction is gonna take place in your 8th house. So during this time, you can expect some transformations in your mind, in your family, with your near and dear ones, and your relationships. There is also a strong chance of you getting some money at this point in time. Though mentally, this time is not gonna be a good time for you, but still this time would be better than before. Your friends, your relatives are gonna help you at this point in time. Well, for Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people, this particular conjunction is gonna take place in your 7th house. So during this time, your business will be diminishing significantly. Whatever business you are doing, you will see a substantial reduction in that business, as Rahu is in your 7th house along with Venus. Hence, I can confidently tell you all, there will be some misunderstandings, some fights, some quarrels with your spouse during this phase. All your plans are gonna go haywire at this point in time. You'd feel a sense of loneliness and sadness at this point in time. On the business front, I'd suggest you all to just keep calm at this moment. Don't try to increase your business or take stress at this point in time, because gradually you will see your business increasing in the coming months. Regarding your relationship with your spouse, I'd suggest you all to talk less with your spouse during this phase. Well, for Sagittarius moon sign, Sagittarius ascendant people, this particular conjunction is gonna take place in your 6th house. Hence, during this time, you can fall ill. But the good news is that even if you fall ill, you will recover from that disease, that illness very quickly. You could also benefit from your friends at this point in time. Well, for Capricorn moon sign, Capricorn ascendant people, this particular 4-planet conjunction is gonna take place in your 5th house. So during this time, you can expect to get creative in your life. And for students who are appearing for any sort of exam, let me tell you all that you all are going to pass those exams with flying colors. If you are in a love relationship, let me tell you all that this is gonna be an excellent time for you all. Well, for those people who are trying to find a love partner for themselves, then during this time, you can expect that love partner to come into your life, which will add to your happiness at this point in time. Well, for Aquarius moon sign, Aquarius ascendant people, this particular conjunction is gonna take place in your 4th house. So during this time, you will experience complete happiness, complete comforts in your life. You are going to be relaxed and chilled at this point in time. You are going to improve your relationship with your mother, at this point in time. Your mother is gonna go out of her way to help you, to give you peace of mind at this point in time. Some of you might buy an electronic gadget at this point in time, which will prove to be very beneficial for you in the next 6 months. Well, for Pisces moon sign, Pisces ascendant people, this particular conjunction is gonna take place in your third house. You are gonna show some exemplary courage. You are gonna go out of your way to help people at this point in time. If you were not able to take a decision until now, then during this time you are gonna take that decision and you will make sure that you will move forward with your life. Please do not get unnecessarily angry with your near or dear ones, which can spoil your relationship as well as your health. Well, this pretty much completes my analysis about this 4-planet conjunction in the Taurus sign. I mean, Rahu, Venus, Mercury and Sun in the zodiac sign of Taurus. If you want specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And besides that, if you want to earn money in your life, if you want to see success and prosperity in your life, if you want to be a positive person in your life, if you want to see richness in your life, if you want to experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings, and you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great time ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.